Good afternoon. This video is to summarize what we did today, April 23rd, during our online lesson. So we took a minute to go through how to save the planet, basically. It has to do with water quality, so that's the hydrosphere, air quality, so that's the atmosphere, and also what's going on in land-based issues as well that affect the environment. So I meant to go through this PowerPoint here, which didn't happen, so we'll have to save that for next time. So I used these videos as cue cards and put them on mute and fast forwarded them and talked over them like I usually do to summarize the key points. So if you could go through and watch those, that would be great. I recommend closed captions, especially if you need to translate that into a different language. Okay, so it's amazing how much waste is involved in the clothing industry. So take a look at that one. We mentioned the difference between ozone layer and ground level ozone, as well as the difference between climate change there, because yes, they all have to do with the atmosphere and air quality, but specifically, what are the differences? Okay, then we looked at whether we think eating bugs would be a good idea or not instead of meat, because it takes a lot of resources, energy, water to produce the meat that we eat, so perhaps we should switch to bugs. We can look at genetically modifying plants to absorb more carbon dioxide. And I didn't mention it in the lesson, but there's machines that also are able to take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. This one's a bit long, but it's probably going to be a big machine in the future as climate change worsens. So we'll probably see more about that in the future. This video has to do with why we're not using renewables, right? Everybody knows that burning fossil fuels is a problem. We're going to run out. It's expensive. It pollutes our atmosphere, okay? But it is the most available, easily available. It is the most on demand, and that's really what it comes down to, right? Is we are going to use whatever is cheapest and easiest and works the best. Okay, so until renewables find solutions to all the problems that they have, one of them being distance, then they're not likely to be used at this time. Okay, so I went through that and meant to start this PowerPoint too, didn't get to it. And what I asked was for you to complete the section 2 D2L quiz now. So if you look at when things are due in your calendar, technically you just have your section 1 D2L quiz that's due today. And we decided to put the section 2 D2L quiz not due till next Thursday. But as you can see, if you click on quizzes and your section 1 quiz, we're on unit C here. Okay, we'll let it load. There's really only 20 questions, true and false. You have unlimited tries, so you can go back more than once, learn from your mistakes, and get yourself 100. Okay, that shouldn't take too long to do. So again, go ahead and finish the section 2 quiz as well when you're ready. Okay, hopefully these messages quit popping up. And for any last minute assignments that are missing, okay, we still have our floods and fires project that a few people need to hand in. Okay, our Google Forms questions, the art piece or fort. Those are what's due. So have a good day.